In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create flip clock number slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I've created this kind of a clock where you can see the hours, the minutes and the seconds. When I click, it will show the numbers in this particular way. I have created one more slide where it will change the numbers using the morph transition. So if example, this is 125, then after a few seconds it will change to 26. Likewise, you can create multiple slides using the morph transition. Please share, like and subscribe my channel, and the only channel on YouTube for PowerPoint where you can get 1000 plus free templates absolutely free. And I have provided the link on the video description section of each video, and you can support my channel through PayPal or Patreon. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the background to any light color background. Then go to the view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the rectangle rounded corner. Just click it here and go to the shape format. Here the height, I'm going to make it maybe 1.95, and the width I'm going to make it 1.15. Shape outline, make it no outline, align center, align middle. Then I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D and change the color to some other color. And here I'm going to reduce the size by holding the shift key and then reduce a little bit. You can see here. And again, make sure to align center, align middle. So you can see here we have got a small, you can see here the borders, blue borders. The next thing which I'm going to do now is I'm going to select this shape. All right, again, one more thing which you can do is you can see the small orange point. You can just drag this outside so it becomes less curved. For this also, if you want, you can just reduce it. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to select the blue rectangle first, hold the shift key, select this rectangle, merge shape and subtract. So I end up getting a shape which looks something like this. Then go to the insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw a small rectangle on the left side. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can give a black color. For this also I'm going to give a black color. Okay, so let me just increase the width a little bit more and make sure that it should be touching to the borders. Okay, then select this one, hold the Ctrl Shift key and drag it towards the right side, and then I'm going to add one more rectangle, a small rectangle in the center. All right, a little bit maybe. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, make it black. Again, make sure this is align center, align middle. So once this is done, I'm going to select all these shapes, go to the shape format, merge shapes and combine it so it becomes one shape here. All right, so this is the first one. So now let me just move with this aside here. Hold the Ctrl Shift key, add one more, then go to the insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw a small rectangle. Okay, maybe this much size. Again, black color, no outline. If you want, you can increase the size also a little bit. And I'm going to put it here and here. Select both of these and press Ctrl G to group it. Then I'm going to select this one, this and this. And I'm going to hold the Ctrl Shift key, just drag this towards the right, and then I'm going to select only these two and then drag this towards the right again. So I end up getting a shape where I'm going to enter the hours, the minutes and the seconds. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to select all the shapes, press Ctrl G and make sure to align center, align middle. Okay, now I'm going to ungroup this. Even if it is grouped, it doesn't make any problem for us. So the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to add one the numbers actually here. So for example, go to insert, say first I'm going to enter the number 0, right, or any number of your choice. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to make the font as Oswald or any other font of your choice. So I'm going to choose this one. This looks best for me. If you want, you can make it bold also. You can see here and increase the size, and then I'm going to put it here. Can you see this one? Exactly like this. And again, make sure that this is in the center. All right, let me just zoom in. It should be like this. Yeah, so you can see here this is properly aligned. The next thing which I'm going to do is go to insert shape, select one small rectangle and draw the rectangle exactly on top of this one. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill, maybe you can give some yellow color because this is the place where I'm going to cut this one. Okay, so let me just zoom in, and the width also should have to be similar. Okay, so once this is done, the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to copy both these objects, hold the Ctrl Shift key and drag it towards the right. Okay, like this, and later on we can just change the numbers the way we want. Okay, so now I'm just going to make it all, adding all zeros here and a little bit of alignment required that we can do later also. So for example, this is 0 and say I'll say that this is 1, and I want to say this is the 1 hour, like 1 o'clock and say 25 minutes, and the seconds I can make it as 4:47 like this. Okay, the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into two parts. So you can see here this 0, I'm going to select this one, hold the Shift key and select this yellow rectangle, go to the merge shape and click on the fragment. The once you fragment this one, we end up getting some additional objects which I'm going to select and I'm going to delete. Can you see here? I want to delete this one. All right, so nothing there now, and now you can see I've got two different shapes. Okay, so the first one I'm going to select, you can go and go to the shape format, shape fill. For example, I'm going to give a light green color, and here I'm going to give a dark green color. Now the same thing which I'm going to do now, I'm going to select this one, hold the Shift key, select this one, merge shapes, click on the fragment. I don't want all those things which is not required. Again, this one I'm going to give maybe the color which is a light blue and a dark blue. You can see here. All right, so likewise you need to do the similar thing for these also. Again, let me just select this one, hold the Shift key, select this rectangle, go to the merge shape and fragment it, and I'm going to delete this one, all the unwanted objects, and then I'm going to give a different color. Maybe I'm going to give a light pink with a dark pink. Okay, any color of your choice you can give. Likewise you need to just do for the rest of these options. So as you can see here, I've added the colors and I've did the fragmentation. The next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to add a border here. For that, go to insert shapes, select the rounded corner rectangle again, draw a rounded corner rectangle, maybe this much size, shape outline, make it black, then right mouse click, go to the format shape, under the line increase the width. You can see here, increase the width, maybe you have to make it maybe 20 or 24. Okay, and then shape fill, make it no fill. Right, then go to the insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw a small rectangle here. All right, and then shape outline, no outline, shape fill, I'm going to make it white and then send this to back. All right, so you can see here we have added the white background here. Then once this is done, we can do the animations. To do the animations, close this one, go to the animations tab, enable the animation pane, select both the objects, go to the add animation, go to the more entrance effects, scroll down, you can see here the basic swivel, select this one, click OK, and the effect options I'm going to make it as vertical, not horizontal, and then right mouse click, go to the effect options, timings is very slow, I'm going to make it very fast, click OK. So you can see here if I play, it comes something like this. Now with the help of the animation painter, select this one and this one. So instead of this one, if you want, you can make this as after previous. Okay, then this should happen with previous. So now it's very easy for me. I'm just going to select this one, click on the animation painter and start copying the animation. So let me just do quickly. You can see here again, this is done. So then I'm going to select this here, just copy one by one the animation using the animation painter. This will save a lot of time. Now let's play. When I click, you can see here, this is how it works. And again, if you want, you can make it a kind of a morph transition also. For example, here I have used two slides where I put 25 and I have put the 26, and then the transition I have make it as morph, and you can make it duration 1 second, and here it should start after 4 seconds. So if, for example, if I play this one, it comes like this, and automatically after this one it changes. So likewise you can do it for by adding any number of slides.